What's up, folks? It's TJ Handyman here. Today I'm going to change out this shark bite fitting here because previously I had a shark bite fitting here, this one here, and I took it out because it was leaking. And rather than wait for this one to leak, I'm going to take it out right now because I'm going to drywall back this space. But to make sure we don't have any problems moving in the future, I'm just going to remove the shark bite fitting and replace it. So I'm going to replace it with a PEX fitting, and that's going to allow it to crimp. First things first, I got to do is shut off the water. So you do need a piece like this to take out the shark bite fitting. There's other ways you can take out the fitting, but this is the best way. Then you put it on there like that. Okay, so we got that piece out. So now we're going to remove this here. Okay, so now we're going to add the crimp here. And I always add an extra crimp just in case there's a leak in the future. Maybe the next guy can just crimp another piece and then that will take care of the problem. Okay, so now I added Teflon already to this piece. So screw that in. Okay, then we just push this piece in here. There we go. And then, now this crimp, there's a tab right here, this little red tab, you can't really see it. But that pretty much shows you that you shouldn't push the crimp too close to the edge because it still needs a little bit of, a little bit of meat. So it needs a little bit of meat to catch. And now we got it there. So now we went ahead and we crimped that. So now let's turn the water back on and see if it leaks. Now the good thing is, well, if it leaks, we can still tighten this fitting right here. Okay, so the water is back on. What you're hearing is the faucet running because I had the faucet turned on. And there you go. There's no leak on that fitting, so we change out this shark bite fitting and we change out that shark bite fitting there, and with a permanent crimp fitting. So that should be much better moving forward into the future. Alright folks, TJ Handyman, thanks for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.